I'm just here to talk about, I'm here to interview Poya from Katima and Dave, who is part of the Zeitgeist movement, and we're just going to elucidate some of the issues. So Dave, you often speak of the system. What do you mean by this? Why do you think something is wrong with it, and why should it change?
The economist Jerry Rifkin explains very astutely that every socio-economic model that we have in history is defined by technologies of communication, logistics and energy. Now we are living at the end of the second industrial revolution, which is a socio-economic paradigm defined by the age of fossil fuels.
Yeah.
Everything we do is moved by fossil fuels on one level. Our fuel for our vehicles, the generation of our energy is by fossil fuels. Our communication systems, our television, radio systems, which are ultimately powered by the central electricity grid, dependent on fossil fuels. Our government structures, our logistics and transport are all built upon fossil fuels, which are unsustainable, coming to the end of their life. And our entire economic model dependent on that old system is in decline. And so the Zeitgeist movement really advocates, that we recognise the fact that we're living under an obsolete model, and to use the science and technology that's now at our disposal to transition to a new model.
So Poya, you are the visionary, so you like to call yourself, at Katima. What is Katima's vision?
We in Katima are on a mission to unite a group of people from all around the world who believe in major transformations in the system, along with experts who have solutions to enhancing different problems that have occurred in our system. In one location, to actually create a sustainable city from scratch, to display how would all this solution work in cohesion with each other, and what would be the real life actual result of that, to actually prove that to the rest of the world. That's what Katima is about at the moment.
So how does Katima target the system and actually help create this new model?
So I would like to start with a quotation from Einstein that said that you will not be able to solve a problem with the same level of thinking that created it. So in Katima, we believe that if we manage to actually attract all these solutions that we mentioned, in a way not all of them, a group of solutions from different levels that are trying to target our environmental issues, trying to target our societal issues, and all put them in one place. If we manage to portray a better life with a higher level of happiness and a better wealth distribution between the people who are living in that place, this could naturally stand as a role model for the future development and actually impacting the existing infrastructure as well massively. It's very difficult to try to convey our means theoretically nowadays without having any real life evidence, in a sense. Yeah. So that's the way Katima is trying to actually break into the system from within.